How big is a 10-pound CO2 tank? Well, typically, as we mentioned with all videos, this matters on the size and the type and the make of the tank. How big is it? Typically, it's about 7 inches wide, and of course, it's about 16 to 17 inches tall. Now, the type, aluminum or steel, where you're measuring it from, all of that matters. Steel, aluminum, I know I said that already, but are you measuring the handle? Or are you measuring it with a cap on it? So again, 7 inches wide generally by 16 to 17 inches tall generally. And if you're asking how big it is because you want to see what type of a quantity it can hold, it holds 10 pounds. So how big with respect to weight of the tank, it's going to be bigger than 10 pounds and probably weigh a little bit more, but it holds 10 pounds of CO2. So again, how big is a 10-pound CO2 tank? 7 inches wide generally by 16 to 17 inches tall. That's how big a 10-pound CO2 tank is. Thanks for watching.